What's up, guys? Welcome back to the AJ Squad. Now, we're back again with another video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the AJ Squad. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Hold on. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'll cook some breakfast. Alright, guys. Now, like I said, good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the AJ Squad. Happy New Year's. May God bless you with a prosper, health, safe 2020. Now today I decided to cook some breakfast. Since me and my husband we got off of work, our son is in school, and we just have the baby. So, burning up stuff, you guys. I decided to cook. It was just a little something, not a lot. Just a little something, Just a little something, sausage, some scrambled egg with some bell pepper, I love cooking like this, with my bell pepper, my colorful bell pepper, with the thyme, You see, you guys? Okay. And then the sausage is Garcia sausage. Yeah. Eggs are done. The sausages are Garcia sausages. You know? It is Garcia sausages. I wish I had the box. Hold on, let me try the box. This is the box. This is what I love. The Garcia sausages. And of course it's made of varieties of meats and beef, but these are the bomb. These Garcia is the bomb. Can you guys see it? It's the bomb. But while the husband is still out there mowing the yard or whatever he's doing, I said let me cook him some breakfast, cook us some breakfast because we had a long day of work. Oh, I'd be glad when the week be over with, child. I'd be so glad. I'd be so exhausted and everything. And it's just, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, but with God's help, we're able to achieve by all means. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm also cooking some tea, guys. It's Jamaican tea, and it's called, what is this? Tree Hebrew Infusion, the peppermint tea. This tea is good. With some lime or lemon, it is really good. It's really good. With a little bit of tablespoon of sugar. Because I gotta have my sugar. I can't be without sugar. Yeah. I just know how much to use and what not to use. Because you can't use so much. Because if you use a lot, it won't be what's it called. So I put the baby to sleep because she was like, ugh. All she wanna do is eat. All she wanna do is eat. You know? You guys, but that's my baby. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Cooking a little bit of breakfast and some tea. so he can eat after a long day of work, so he can eat. You know, let me let y'all guys see the sausages that I'm cooking. Sausages is like the best. You know, see the sausages. You know, that's the tea that's boiling. These are my eggs. It's a little bit burnt, but that's okay, you guys. You know, I never said I was a chef, even though I wanted to become a chef when I was a little bit younger. I used to watch a lot of chef shows like Rachel. I used to love watching Rachel. I used to love watching Rachel A. Yeah, I used to love watching her. And it's another guy that's on TLC. He's a big time chef and everything. And he just talks to people all kinds of ways, but I like the way his style is. He get things done. And he makes sure the food the people are cooking that is healthy, clean, and being done in a clean environment, because you can't cook when it's a messed up environment, uncleanness. No, you have to have everything clean and organized in order for you to cook and prepare your meals. People who don't do that, me personally, I don't eat from them. That's just who I am. But I try my best to keep everything, organized and stuff. So my tea, oh guys, if you guys can smell this tea, you will fall in love. You see the tea? I don't want to put the camera because they'll probably fall. You see? You see the tea? Oh yes. Yes, darling. And add a little bit of sugar to it. That thing be the bomb. Now I just hope I have some sugar. I think I did. And the refrigerator. I got the sugar and lime. A lime. Either or, if you don't have lime or lemon, use either or. Hold on, guys. Got a phone call. Yes, Q. Hello? Huh? Oh, alright. Everybody up. Child. I don't know. Let me finish with my breakfast. But how many teaspoons of sugar? How much sugar I'm gonna put? I love enough sugar in my stuff. I don't want it too sweet, but you gotta try to even it out. You know, this is the kind of sugar that I use. The cane sugar. Sugar is sugar. You know they say you can't eat too much, use too much sugar, you diabetes, but I ain't get diabetes yet, so I've been using sugar all my life. So just add a sprinkle of few in here. And gotta sprinkle it a little bit. I think I did a little bit too much, but it is what it is. I gotta buy some more spoons, guys. Oh, I gotta take some out to cook tonight too. Yeah. Y'all need more sugar. You don't want it too sweet, but yeah, you don't want it not sweet. You get me? So you gotta even it out as much as you guys can. Do what you can do, honey bun. Now I'm going to rinse off the lime, and I'm gonna find me a knife to cut. All right, and See, he don't know I'm doing tea. But if y'all haven't known or whatnot, or if you guys do know, my husband is Jamaican. Full of them braids. He one of them Jamaicans where he gotta have his breakfast in the morning. Now, I don't know how to cook the Jamaican dish breakfast, but I know when I was pregnant, I used to love the ackee and sawfish, yam, and banana with both of my kids. But with Jeremiah, I was still getting used to the food and whatnot. But with Adora, oh my God, all I crave for is ackee and sawfish, yam, banana, and I was like, oh my God, that breakfast was so good. And one thing about that Jamaican or island breakfast, once you eat the breakfast, it will hold you up for the whole day. You probably won't be hungry until later on that day for dinner, or you probably may want a snack or whatnot. But that breakfast will make you want to go to sleep. So if you eat that food, you better make sure you be home sleeping in your own comfort in your own bed. Because it makes you want to go to sleep. Yes, it does. It makes you want to go to sleep. So, better make sure you know, be up on your game point. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if the baby's sleeping now. She should be. Oh, let me show you guys. Let me show you her. She's sleeping. After all this time, she's finally sleeping. You see her? Oh, God. Oh, I am so glad she's asleep, you guys. Cause like she gonna never go to sleep. It took me to give her a whole new bottle. A whole new bottle. Oh wait, no sense. Now let's see if he's done yet. Yeah, you guys, he's still out there clean. Now he cleaning the car. He's done cleaning the yard. Now he's cleaning the car. But I'm gonna eat. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna eat. But let me the only thing I don't have is bread. I'm gonna get some bread. But it's okay. He's still trying to clean up the car. I can't wait on him. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, guys. I am starving. Now, get some tea. Make some hot tea, hot peppermint tea. Tea is good. The reason why I say tea is good because for me, since I had 2 C-sections when I was pregnant, having a C-section, I don't know what it is. Having a C-section, the gas is a real deal. When you get gas, all my viewers, that's women's out there and mothers who knows what I'm talking about, make sure you guys comment and like. Because for me, since I had 2 C-sections, I feel like I have to have something hot at least every day because to avoid from getting that gas. Because that gas, when you get it, oh, it feel like it touching the soul. Like it touches your back and it make you feel so uncomfortable. So I try to at least drink something hot at least every day. I try my best, unless until I remember. But tea, when I'm off of work, I have to drink tea because it helps flow the gas, make you feel warm inside and everything. It just works out real good for my insides. So that's why I drink tea. But you guys, I'm going to go and sit down. This is the outcome of the food. This is the outcome. See? And this is the outcome of this tea. So, I'm going to go ahead and eat. And I'm going to just wait for my husband to come again. Finish what he's doing. And we're going to drop another video for you guys. But until then, I will see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Give this video at least 50 likes. And make sure you guys tell a friend that the AJ Squad is out there bringing back videos for you guys. And we want you guys to hear and see us. So make sure you guys hit the like button. Turn the notification bell on. So you can be staying tuned on what we may bring in. You never know. We coming up with new ideas as much as we can. And we're going to do our best to blog and bring out new content for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned in for that. Alright, but until next time, guys, I'm going to be out. I'm going to go sit on my couch and eat my breakfast. Alright, and I'm out. Peace.